Markets are going wild. Dollar yen crashing, sterling dollar flexing some muscle and spiking. You're ready to profit from the chaos. Stick with me for this strategy that you're going to need right now to make some profits. Welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these absolutely insane markets. If you like what you see, smash the like button, hit subscribe. Never miss a beat in this crazy market. All right, let's get into it. All right, dollar yen right now. We're looking at the 1 hour chart. I want to zoom out. I want to go to a 4 hour chart to show my point here. Marketplace came up to 144, right up here, like 144.20, crashed down after making a low at 142.04. We made a slightly higher low right there at 142.22. Market came back up, tested the high, came back down. Now it's slightly making, again, a higher low. So is the dollar turning? I don't think so. But for the short term, what can we look to do to try to take advantage of any type of upward momentum? As of right now at 9:37 in the morning on April 15th, 2025, most likely what we have to see is the dollar get above 143, say 143.15, 143.20. Then it needs to get up through this 143.36 would actually show positive sign to potentially hit that 144 again and then reconsolidate. We got some numbers coming out, so I don't think the dollar is going to fall out of bed completely, although it has been really under a lot of pressure against dollar yen. You know, the yen, again, is a safe haven, and it's actually playing its part quite well. Let's go over to sterling dollar. Sterling dollar, really, it's starting to break up. I don't know if it's going to be able to hold this. I don't really actually believe that cable is in such a great position. Let me see something. Let me move this out a little bit. I don't really need that. I can go like that. Would look better on the screen, I would think, right? Got to tidy up the house here a little bit. Right now, cable as it stands, you know, it went to 132.50. I think that we got to hold this high bars close. Actually, this is a 4 hour. Let me go to a 1 hour. Let me get a pin on things of a 1 hour chart. Right here. Yeah, right there. I'm going to use this close right here. This one, it's got to hold this area right there, 131, say 90. If it breaks through 131.90, most likely the cable's going to come down to this area right here, like 131.40, potentially even go down to like 131.20. Now, there is upper resistance at massive resistance at 133.53. So a lot of resistance up here. Haven't been at these levels for quite a long time. So like the euro dollar is at levels that we haven't seen since like 2000 and what, 2021 or something like that. I pointed it out yesterday's euro video, which was spot on, by the way. How somebody gave me a thumbs down, I have no idea. I predicted the exact price of the breakdown. Freaking ridiculous. I guess you can't make everyone happy all the time. I guess they just don't like to be right. Or maybe they're just jealous. I don't know. But anyway, so we got all that 131.90 level in order for it to actually try to get up through this high of 132.54. I don't really see it happening today. If it does, it could climb to maybe 132.90. But if we break this 131.90, we're probably drifting down to, say, 131. I'm going to go right here. 131.55, 131.44, something like that. Good old sterling yen. Got that resistance point we've been talking about at 190.28. Still there. Right now, as it stands, we made it 189.56 high. Oh, man. Don't like the idea that it actually spiked through here. Went to 188.64. I think there's going to be still upper resistance up here. I think it would be probably, like yesterday I said I was going to sell it, which I did, made some money on it. But right now I believe there's still some resistance up here. It would be a pretty good sell with a tight stop around, like, say, 189, like 93-ish, maybe even 190, 190.01, something like that. If it well, actually, I don't know. I'm going to take that back. I really probably wouldn't. I wouldn't sell it if we broke this high. I'd be watching dollar yen, seeing what's going on with dollar yen, and at that point. So if dollar yen starts to rally, this actually could get some more muzzle velocity to get us up to that 190. So scratch that idea. Scratch it. That was just a flippant idea. However, if we do break this bottom here, 188.55, we're probably going down to 188.10. If we get through this top, we're probably going to 190 to figure 190.10, and there's that all-important resistance at 190.28. Let's go to good old euro yen. All right, this one, this euro yen. Let's move this over. Now, this is odd because euro yen has been strong and it's been stronger than sterling yen. Now it's showing some weakness. So in order for this to grab its footing and back, it's got to get above, let's see, like, right, I'm going to say 162.25. Then it's got resistance again at 54 and upper resistance at 163.19. This is actually drifting lower right now, saying that, there's going to be resistance at 162, the figure. And where is it drifting to? Well, it's drifting to this area right here, 160.85. 160.85, and main support's 160, the figure. So the only way it shows any strengths if it gets through, say, 162, say 20ish, right here, and then it needs to use this as a support to get up to 162.54, and there's definitely resistance up at 163.16ish. So that's what I got for you guys as of April 15th, 9:43 in the morning. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Come on over, follow me on X. Make sure you share my videos far and wide. Want to build a big trading community. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.